Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, December the 3rd. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of the trading room. This is the address to get into the room. You can log in with your email address, and the room is open between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I am live on the mic during those two times. All right, well, this should be a very quick video because didn't do very much today at all. Our AI channel actually only had 3 alerts today. Now it's only 2 o'clock, so there's still a couple hours left, but very slow today for the channel. Um, they did have one really nice one, and unfortunately for myself, let me just bring it up. Was SCTY, and the alert came at 35.97, right about here, right about there. And I was watching it like a hawk, but unfortunately it popped too quickly for me. I was waiting at the 36 level, and then it just zoomed right up to 37.42. So unfortunately, that was a great one, I just flat out missed it. Now the market is just really tanking today. Look at IBB. This is the one I love to look at. This is just being destroyed. Look at the daily chart on it. It's starting to approach that level here. It's kind of hoping that, it would maintain at least this level, and then we get a pop through, here, and then we can start challenging this level. But, IBB, of course, is the biotech index. So we love that one because, when you can get some great moves in the biotechs when the IBB is really ripping. And of course, you're getting great moves on the downside, but a lot of times it's hard to short some of these ones. But anyway, so that was SCTY. That was really the only one that out of the three that did anything in the AI channel, but it really would have worked well. The only other one to go over was VRNT. Let me just get the 15-minute up. I also want to just symbol linking. Just do this pre-market. I want to set that as a default. Okay, so big down day, earnings. Make sure that, yeah, it was earnings after the market closed yesterday. Closed 46 yesterday, and we woke up this morning down to 41. So this is one that I always, these are the type that I look at for potential reversals. It was look how choppy this is on the 15-minute though. See all these topping tails, up, down, up, down. I mean, very difficult. The only thing I was able to do is I did get into the trade right about here, 40.41, right about here, and I think it was on this candle here, and was able to literally just get out at 40.54 and 40.51. So I was in at 40.41 and out for like 13 cents and 10 cents, and that was it. And just chopping around. Did try another one. Real had this one. Probably would have worked out quite well. This was on a 15-minute RBI. Took the trade at 31.38 and right around here, stopped myself out on this action here. Did pop back up, but again, very choppy. That's what I found today. Hardly, some of the very few of the bounce plays, even the ones that kind of worked, and you could say, well, maybe this kind of worked, but there was no trend continuation. Very modest. You had to be very quick and perhaps scalp them. The other one that I tried was PFG. Same sort of thing. This was down a lot, and I was looking to play this on the bounce. Looked good right here. Waited for it to get over the whole number. I think the second time took the trade at 49.09. Had a little pop up here, but then it just fell right back down and got out of the trade at 49.98. So all in all, not a great day. Again, we only had 3 trades so far in the AI channel. Say SCTY would have worked out very well, and I just was just a little bit late to it, and that was that. So hopefully, tomorrow's Friday. Let's just want to see what the market is doing right now. Yeah, I mean, we're down 211, so you just can't expect. Fortunately, most of the trades, excuse me, most of the strategies were long, and we just didn't get. You just can't assume that when it's a long strategy and the market's down 200, that you're going to be able to make some good dollars on these. So but on the positive side is that only three of them triggered, and you've only been out. FCX is another one, and it triggered at 791. So it didn't. It's not like it dropped that much, and it actually popped up to 798. And MNK, let's see, that popped. That was at 74.83. So it was up around now. It is really starting to give it up. But again, you would have been stopped out a lot earlier than all that. So anyway, bottom line is that very little activity in AI today, and we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Um, there is one, let's see. This is one that you just might want to put on your radar. Let me bring up the daily chart on it. This is one, you can see why I'm looking at it. Massive drop down. It's starting to crawl back, especially if it can hold this 5 level. We get some optimism back in the market. This ophthalmic goods, so, I guess it's sort of in the tech, biotech industry. So you know, I'm watching this. This is going to be on my watch list for the next little while to see if I can get any traction whatsoever. And the other one was, now it is falling back down, but INOV, you see how it got up to almost up to 19. I was in the room and I was saying, watch this one over 19. Now it's pulled back, but if this gets over 19, again, you've got some a bit of a void up to 22 and maybe up to 23, 24. So, but again, I don't know what this is actually. Let me see what the profile is. It's not a bio, but at any rate, just keep an eye on this one. These are the ones that we love. A lot of these are the types that make our trade of the week. Big drop, a little bit of a pop, I would have liked to see maybe a little more of a drop and then the pop to break through all this. But keep an eye on this one over 19. Maybe set an alert, and also again watch the SIEN because I mean if it can ever get some traction, look at the incredible void it's got. So all right, that's it for today. Again, I thought it would be kind of a short and sweet one. Let me just bring back. Here we go. Here again is how to get into the room. Open in a trading room between 9 and 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye bye.